Hello, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting a private bedroom with a private bathroom, and this room is located in Xindian. Xindian is like 5 MRT station from Gongguan, which is where NTU is, and this area is surrounded by a lot of mountains and greens. But still, you can walk to the MRT for about 10 to 15 minutes, and let's go check it out. Alright, so we're now inside this private bedroom with private bathroom. On this side, there's a double bed and a desk. And on this side, there's a living area with kitchenette, and over there is the bathroom. So let's start from the bedroom area. So it's a standard double bed, and beneath it there's a storage, which means you can lift it up and put your luggage in there. Over here is the desk and a chair and a big window looking over the road. Right here is the closet with drawers, 2 drawers. Okay. And over here is what we call window balcony. It's a special feature in Taiwan. So which means you'll have kind of like dry your clothes right here, hang your clothes at this area. Yeah, from this angle. And there's a AC right over there. Okay. And over here is the living area. There's a couch, a coffee table, a dining table, or a bar table. And there's some shelf over there. And right here is the kitchenette. There's an electricity stove and a sink. Over here is the fridge. Some storage space down here, and a TV and cable over here. Let's check out the bathroom. Yeah, there's a washer inside, a middle one, sink works fine, and a mirror. Over here is the toilet and the shower. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you.